This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the account and device so verification can succeed. Open Google Play and go to Account Purchase Methods. This lets Play detect missing verification. Add or confirm a payment method now, card, PayPal, or Play Balance, because verification uses that info. Once done, make sure Play Lock or Screen Lock is enabled in Settings. Google requires a secure lock for purchase verification. These steps reduce friction and ensure the verification prompt appears when you attempt a purchase. Now you trigger the verification flow by making a small purchase or subscribing to a free trial. This forces Google Play to prompt for verification. When the authentication dialog appears, choose the option requiring authentication for every purchase or for purchases made on this device. Pick the tighter setting if others access your device. Enter your Google account password and confirm biometric or PIN if requested. This configures Play to consistently verify future transactions and links the payment method to the verification. Finish by validating the setup. Perform a low-cost test purchase or redeem a promo code to confirm Google Play now asks for verification. If it still says you haven't set up purchase verification, clear the Google Play Store cache and data, reboot the device, then reattempt. This often resolves stale state issues. Also check account security for conflicting two-step settings or blocked payment methods. If problems persist, remove and re-add the payment method, and repeat the test purchase to force a fresh verification link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.